Hi guys, we're back out with the ACE Pro, and tonight we wanted to see how well this camera takes pictures at night. In regular HDR it seems to be only 12 megapixels. We took a few pictures, I don't know, they seem to look blurry, but we won't know till we get her home and put her on the computer. We switched it over to the regular photo mode, and we took a few shots down here by the river. You can just take a look around. Take a look around. And we actually got up close to the lighthouse there and snapped a few pictures. In the regular photo mode, we have it at 48 megapixels. So I don't know, they seem to look a little bit better, but again, we're not going to know until we get home, put her on the computer. But I know she does a great job during the day, but I was just curious, you know, because this camera has pure video for video at night. I wanted to see if it actually does a good job with taking photos at nighttime. So anyways, that was just a little bit of photo shoot, and hopefully when we get home everything looks great, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.